Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. We've got I believe 2022, it's an Airstream spinner van. Nice van. Customer spends a lot of time, does a lot of remote work in this van. Probably in it 150 days a year, which is pretty cool. We acquired this customer. It's got a high output secondary alternator on it, and it gave out on him. We were able to get a new alternator in it, turn it around in a couple days for him. So now he's interested in updating the battery system. It comes with, I believe, 200 amp Battleborn batteries. We're just getting ready to take everything apart and dig into it right now. And a smaller inverter. So our goal is to fit 600 amp hours worth of lithium batteries and a new Victron 3 kW inverter in this unit. And we've got permission to use all this area back to here. So reorganize the factory layout on the equipment and get this guy a nice battery pack so he can do some more extended camping. We've got an awning repair, a couple other little odds and ends to do to it. So at OCRV here, we specialize in high roof van collision repair and also all the upgraded systems that go in with these things. You want a lift kit, alignment, brakes, service, oil change, tranny service, whatever. We have all certified guys to do that for you. But we also really enjoy doing the solar, inverter, lithium battery upgrades. So if there's any of those projects that you're interested in doing, please give us a call here at in Yorba Linda at 714-630-3766, and we'd be happy to help.